Welcome to Lata ZAZ online classes. Today we are discussing next worksheet of class 6 mathematics. So in this worksheet we will learn about expanding form. So what is expanding form? The number which we separate according to the place values and decimal places is called as expansion form. For example, here there is a number 3578. So question is expand 3578. So first of all we have to know places of these numbers. So 3 is in thousands form, 5 is in hundreds place, and 7 is in tens place, and 8 is in ones place. So 8 is in ones place, that's why the place value of 8 is only 8. But the place value of 7 is, this is in the place of tens, that's why 7 into 10, this is 70. So the place value of 7 is 70. Like that, the place value of 5 is 500 because of this is in the place of 100, and the place value of 3 is 1000. So the place value of 3 is 3000 because this is in the place of thousands place. Okay, so these are the place values. So now we will add these forms like this: 3000 plus 500 plus 70 plus 8. So this is called expand form. Here there are another example, example 2. In this 32,054 in expand form. So we have to write this number in expand form. So first of all, same procedure. First of all we have to write the place values. So see, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. In ones place 4, in tens place 5, in hundreds place 0, in thousands place 2, in 10,000s place 3. So place values 4, 50, 0, 2000, 30,000. So we will write 30,000 plus 2000 plus 0 plus 50 plus 4. Okay. So like this we have to write in expand form. After that, see here, if they given in expand form, you have to write in the standard form. So this is the expand form. In this problem we have to write this in the standard form. So in standard form, same process but reverse process. So first of all we have to need to write the place values. So this is 40,000, that means this is in the 10,000s place. So 4 into 10,000. So in 10,000s place there is 4, in thousands place there is 6, in hundreds place 7, tens place 3, ones place 2. So this will become 46,732. Another example is here, 70,000 plus 600 plus 40 plus 5. So here there is 5 in ones place. So in ones place 5, at tens place 40 because here there is 1 0. So tens place 4. This is wrong. Okay, this is 4, and here 600. So in hundreds place 6, but here there are no number in thousands place, that's why we will write 0 in thousands place, and at 10,000s place there is 7, so we will write 7. So this is number standard form we want 70,645. So like this we will do the worksheet also. So in this worksheet the first bit is given that write the following numbers in expand form. So we have to write these numbers in example form, in expand form, these 5 numbers. So we will write, we will take the first number, that is 4,675. So 4,675. So first of all we have to write the place values. This is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, this is thousands place. This is tens. So the place value of 4 is 4,000. 4,000. So thousands means 3 zeros plus 6. After 6 there are 2 numbers. So this is in hundreds place, 600. After that 7 is there, this is in tens place. Or after 7 there is only 1 number, so we have to write only 1 0 plus 5. See, this is the expand form. This is the expand form of 4,675. 4,000 plus 600 plus 70 plus 5. Okay. So we will write the next number. Okay, first of all, if you want to write clearly, pause the video and then write. Okay. Next one, 7,805. 7,805. Okay, what is the number? 7,805. Again, first of all, we have to find out the places. This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. So 7, after 7 there are 3 numbers, so 3 zeros. 7,000 plus 800 plus this is 0, so there is no need to write, plus 5. So this is the expand form of second one. Okay. Next one, next one, 60,304. So what is the next one? 60,304. So again, ones place, tens place, hundred place, thousands place, 10,000s place. Okay. So first of all 6, 10,000s place, that's why we will write, we have to write 4 zeros, 1 2 3 4. So 60,000, in thousands place there is 0, so no need to write. Next one 3, this is in hundreds place, so 2 zeros. Next one also 0, so no need to write. After that ones place 4. So this is the expand form of 60,304. Okay. After that, After that, next question, that is fifth one, 80,026. 80,026. 80,026. Okay. Same procedure, ones place, tens place, hundred place, thousands place, 10,000s place. So first of all 8, after 8 we have to write 4 zeros, 1 2 3 4. After that there is no need to write thousands place and hundreds place because of that those are zeros. Next 2, after 2 this is in tens place, so 1 0. After that 6, this is ones place, so no 0. So this is the expand form of 80,026. Okay. Right. After that next bit, that is second bit. In second bit, write the following expand form numbers in standard form. So you have to write in standard form. So first one, so in first one, see here, this is 4,000 plus 600 plus 30 plus 7. So first of all, see, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Here in this 4,000, after 4 there are 3 zeros, so this is a 4 digit number. So there are 4 places, ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. So in ones place there is 7, so 7. In tens place 3, in hundreds place 6, in thousands place 4. So this is 4,637. This is the first one. Next number. So in next number, this is 5. After 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros are there. So this is 50,000. So the number that we have to write, that is 1 2 3 4 5, 5 digit number. So we have to write first of all 5 digits, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Okay. So 5 digits. In ones place there is 9, in tens place 5, hundreds place there is no number, so you have to write 0. After that in thousands place 6, after that 10,000s place 5. So this is 56,059. Okay. Next one, third one. So here 6, after 6, 1 2 3 4. So total 5 numbers are there. So 5 digit number. So for 5 digit number we also write like this, 5 digits. So 5 dashes, 1 2 3 4 5. After that fill the places. First 9 is in ones place, so 9. After that this is 900, so this is in hundreds place, not in tens place, so this is dash. So in hundreds place 9, in thousands place 5, in 10,000s place 6. So what about tens place? Yes, that will be 0. So this is 65,909. After that fourth one, see in fourth one again this is 3, After 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 zeros and 1 number. So, total 5 digits. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 digits. In ones place there is no number. So, this is 0. Tens place 6 is there. So, 6. In hundreds place 8. In thousands place 7. In 10,000s place 3. So, this is 37,860. Next one, last one. Again this is 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 zeros. So, total 5 digit number. So, 5 blanks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In ones place 4. So, 4. In tens place there is no number. So, 0. In hundreds place there is 8. So, 8. In thousands place there is no number. So, 0. In 10,000s place 7. So, this is 7. This is 0. So, this is 70,804. Okay. So, this is the worksheet. All of you subscribe this channel and like the video, share the video.